Hi and welcome back to another video. Today is another unboxing video and I will be unboxing the Fifine K053 microphone. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Alright, we have here the Fifine K053 microphone. I bought this because of its features that I will be discussing later, and this will be very helpful and useful for me, not only for making YouTube videos but also for my work. So let's start unboxing. It was securely wrapped, so let's remove the bubble wrap first. There you go. The box looks so good and it really secures the microphone inside. It's sealed. I tried to cut it using the scissors but it went wrong, so let's just peel the stickers off. There you go. Right, so let's open the box. Alright, as always, it has a user manual. This is very important to read, especially if you are not into tech, or let's just say you don't know how to use this thing. This user guide is the best guide, of course, aside from YouTube videos or YouTube tutorials. Ta-da! Here's a microphone, guys. Very compact. One of the reasons why I like this is that this microphone is a plug-and-play microphone. No need to install anything, just to use it. This is a USB type and it has 6.56 feet long USB cord. It has a quality microphone capsule with cardioid pickup pattern. It isolates the main sound source and it has noise cancellation features too. And here is the jack audio output for monitor. Let's go ahead and try to test this. Oh wait, did I mention that I'm using this Fifine K053 microphone? Right, this is how it sounds, guys. I technically used Audacity to record this voice. So how is it? Let me know in the comments. It sounds the same even if you're moving. This is best to use for streaming, Skype call meetings, and the like, and of course for making YouTube videos for voiceover stuff. I bought this for only 950 pesos and it gives you the quality that you deserve. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Any thoughts about this product? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any suggestion for a quality microphones or anything that we need to unbox or we can unbox in the future, let us know in the comment section too. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, I think you can just press the back button. I'm kidding. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video.